Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out an item that I have been waiting for an incredibly long time. This is the BOYA Mini Wireless Lavalier Microphone. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome wireless microphone from BOYA and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because you do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at BOYA for sending me this wireless microphone to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references. So here is the receiver and the transmitter next to a US quarter. Super tiny. Literally fits in the palm of your hand. Alright, let's see how much the transmitter weighs. Coming in at 0.2 ounces. It's about the same as a US quarter. Let's get the receiver on there. Coming in at 0.1 ounces. And that's about the same weight as a US dime. And now the case. And now with the case, the transmitters and the receiver coming in at about 1.5 ounces. And that's as much. And that is as much as about 2 AA batteries. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. A carry pouch, a USB to USB-C charging cable. There's an adapter here for anybody still using the old iPhone Lightning adapter. You're going to get this case that also is a battery charger. USB-C charging port is on the bottom. Inside you get 2 transmitters and the 1 receiver for USB-C. Now you don't have to worry about charging the receiver because that's powered by the port in your phone. Each of these transmitters can last up to 6 hours, and with the capability of this charging case, a total of 30 hours. And the range on these little bad boys is up to 100 meters. Setup is incredibly quick and easy. Just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Plug this in as soon as this powers up, pull this out, and it'll pair to the receiver really quick. Here is a quick look at the transmitter. Very simplistic. There's a clip here. If you want to purchase a magnet to glue it on there, you can do that. There is one button on here to activate the noise reduction, which we'll have a look at in a little bit. On the bottom here, you have your charging ports. They sell an individual magnetic charger that plugs in there, but very simple design. Here is a look at your receiver. There is a button here to help you cycle through the noise reduction settings, as well as getting into the voice changing options. Hopefully they're going to start making dead cats for this because that's really going to help with wind when you're outdoors. Alright, to activate the noise reduction, you're just going to click it once here. And then a green light is going to appear right where that little dot is. To cycle through the different settings, you're just going to click it once. And there's 3 different levels. Alright guys, we're going to read a little commercial for you. First without the use of a microphone, and then with it. Alright, here we go. Be sure to put your headphones on so you can really hear the difference. I'm standing about 5 feet in back of my phone. Let's give a listen to what it sounds like with the internal microphone on my phone. You're sure to be sweet on Teddy's sourdough mushroom Swiss burger. Teddy's sizzling steak burger patties are double stacked and smothered in tender sauteed mushrooms and melted with Swiss cheese, served with our famous butter toasted sourdough. It's a classic for a reason, and only at Teddy's. And here is what it sounds like with the microphone. You're sure to be sweet on Teddy's sourdough mushroom Swiss burger. Teddy's sizzling steak burger patties are double stacked and smothered in tender sauteed mushrooms and melted Swiss cheese, served on our famous butter toasted sourdough. It's a classic for a reason, and only at Teddy's. Wow, guys, that's a massive difference, especially from 5 feet away. You can hear the echoing on the internal microphone, but when it turned on the BOYA Mini, the audio improved by like 1,000,000 times. So what we're going to do next is check out the noise reduction. I'm going to keep it on level 1. I'm going to turn on this fan, read the same commercial, and do one with no noise reduction, and then one with noise reduction level 1. Let's check it out. You're sure to be sweet on Teddy's sourdough mushroom Swiss burger. Teddy's sizzling steak burger patties are double stacked and smothered in tender sauteed mushrooms and melted Swiss cheese, served on our famous butter toasted sourdough. It's a classic for a reason, and only at Teddy's. And now with noise reduction level 1. You're sure to be sweet on Teddy's sourdough mushroom Swiss burger. Teddy's sizzling steak burger patties are double stacked and smothered in tender sauteed mushrooms and melted with Swiss cheese, served on our famous butter toasted sourdough. It's a classic for a reason, and only at Teddy's. Yeah, you can really hear the noise reduction between the first reading and the second reading. Now, what I want to do now is just be quiet. We'll let the fan just run and go through the different noise reduction levels, 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys, let's check out the effectiveness of the noise reduction. Right now, we're on level 1. Got the fan right on the side of me. Let's go to level 2. And 3. And back to 1. Now you can definitely hear difference from level 1, 2, and 3. You get a little bit of sound artifacts when you get up there to level 3, but it does dampen that sound effect a bit. But you do take a little bit of a hit on audio quality when you're on level 3. And then the last feature we have is your voice change. Not too sure how many people are going to use it, but to activate it, you're going to click on this button twice. And the first option will really slow your voice down like this. And the second one will really be like this. It'll speed up your voice so quick, like a chipmunk. And then the third option will take you back to original. That's how you activate the voice change option. It's on the receiver. Once again, guys, this has been the BOYA wireless microphones. This is everything that we've been waiting for. Lightweight, easy to set up. If you're looking for a great, inexpensive way to improve your audio on your videos, this could be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome item from BOYA, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.